Welcome to Study Point. Here we are discussing some important questions of reasoning section. Here, first question is identify the wrong number in the series. The given series is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 45. So, this is a Fibonacci series. So, from this series, we will to find the wrong number. See here 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, then 1 plus 1 2, then 1 plus 2 3, then 3 plus 5 8, then 8 plus 5 13, then 13 plus 8 21, then 21 plus 13 34, then 34 plus 21 what 55, but here given 25. Okay, see here in this series 21 plus 34 equal what 55, but here given 45. So the wrong number is 45. Okay. Now here option given option B 45. So our correct answer is option B 45. Now our next question is find the next number in the given series. The given series is 63, 124, 215, 342, 511, and we'll to find the next number. In given series, a pattern is given. Which pattern? First number. See the first number 63. 63 is 4 cube minus 1, that is 64 minus 1 equals 63. Second number 124. 5 cube minus 1, that is 125 minus 1, 124. Then next number 6 cube minus 1. 6 cube equals 216 minus 1, 215. Then next number 7 cube. 7 cube equal 343 minus 1, 342. Then next number 8 cube minus 1, 512 minus 1, 511. So similarly the next number will be 9 cube minus 1. So 9 cube minus 1, 9 cube equals 729 and minus 1 equal what? 728. So our correct answer is 728. Here given option B 728. Our next question is Ankita's younger brother Bobby is older than Nilu. Shweta is younger than Rahul but elder than Ankita. Who is the eldest? Here according to the question, for given Ankita's younger brothers Bobby is older than Nilu. So Bobby is older than Nilu. Okay, so Nilu is less than Bobby. Then next part, Shweta is younger than Rahul. Shweta is younger than Rahul. So Shweta is younger than Rahul. Then, but elder than Ankita. See here, Ankita. Who is the eldest? So here, Rahul is the eldest. Right? So our correct answer is Rahul. Here given option C, Rahul. Our next question is complete the series. Series given 14, 46, 68, 86, question mark and 41. So see the first number 14. The reverse of 14 is 41. Then the second number 46. The reverse of 46 will be in the question mark. So reverse of 46 is 64. And third number reverse of 68 is 86. So what will be set on the question mark? Reverse of 46. So reverse of 46 is 64. Our correct answer is 64. Here given option B 64. Our next question is complete the following series. Series given 7, 14, 56, 448, 7168, and what will be the next number. Here also a given pattern. Which pattern? See the first two numbers 7 and 14. 7 into 2 14. Then second two numbers 14 into 4 56. Then 56 and 48. What is the relation between 56 and 48? 56 into 8 448. Then 448 into 16 7168. Which pattern is goes here? First number into 2, then second number into 4, then third number into 8, then fourth number into 16, then fifth number into what? 32. Okay, so here 7168 into 32 equal 2,29,376. Here option given, option C 2,29,376. So our correct answer is option